You're welcome once again to another edition of our learning program. Today's subject is mathematics. Our topic is measurement of length. Measurement of length. Now, what are you supposed to achieve at the end of the lesson? At the end of the lesson, you can measure the length or width of objects in centimeters and millimeters. You can measure the length or width of objects in centimeters and millimeters. Get ready for the lesson. Comparing lengths and heights with a meter stick. Comparing lengths and heights with a meter stick. The length of an object is measured by using a meter rod or a meter scale, which is also known as ruler. The standard unit of length is meter. In short, we write meter as m. So 1 meter is written as 1m, 3 meters is written as 3m. The length of objects and the distance from one place to another are measured in terms of meter. The lengths of shorter objects are measured in centimeters. The length of shorter objects are measured in centimeters. Centimeter is a smaller unit. In short, we write centimeter as cm. So 1 centimeter is written as 1 cm. 5 centimeters is written as 5 cm. The scale that you have in a geometry box is a centimeter scale. It is 15 centimeter long. Now let's observe the ruler. It is 15 centimeter long. There are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. There are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Measuring length and height in meters. Now, we shall learn how to measure lengths of objects using a scale. Place one end of the object against the 0 mark of the scale and note the position of the other end. The position of the other end gives the length of the object. Estimating length. The length of your cricket bat is about 1 meter. The height of your reading table is less than 1 meter. The length of an object is measured by using the meter rod or a meter scale, which is the ruler. Standard unit of length is meter. In short, we write meter as m. So 1 meter is written as 1m. 3 meters is written as 3m. The lengths of objects and the distance from one place to another are measured in terms of meter. The lengths of shorter objects are measured in centimeters. Centimeter is a smaller unit. In short, we write centimeter as cm. So 1 centimeter is written as 1 cm. 5 centimeters is written as 5 cm. The scale that you have in your geometry box is centimeter scale. It is 15 centimeter long. Equivalent lengths. Now, on some of the centimeter scales or on some of our rulers, we have both the centimeter scale and the millimeter scale. So therefore, let's take note of these equivalent lengths on our centimeter scale or ruler. 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeter or millimeters. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. 1 meter equals 1000 millimeters. 1 kilometer equals 1000 meters. Good. Now try the following using the clue given to you on the equivalent lengths used on the equivalent scale. If 1 centimeter, let's try the first one, question number 1. If 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, then 30 millimeters is equal to, yes, if 10 is 1, then 30 will be 3 centimeters. Very good. Try the rest. Good. Now the pencil over here is 12 centimeters. 12 centimeters. Now, look out or find the measurement of the rest of the object. Find the measurement of the rest of the object. Do your best to use the equivalent scale. Equivalent scale. Good. Now we come to the conclusion of our lesson. What have we learned so far? Learned about measurement of length and width in centimeters and millimeters. We learned about measuring length and width in centimeters and millimeters. Good. Now let's look at this assignment. Do your best to use a tape measure or a measuring tape to transfer these measurements onto your centimeter or millimeter scale or meter scale. Let's skip through this. Me, my partner, and so you're supposed to choose a partner. It could be a brother or a sister, or you can try this with mom or dad. 1, we have around the head. Around the head, and so you can use the tape measure around your head, and then you take note of the end of the circular strip of the tape measure, the end of it, and then you transfer it onto your meter scale or ruler, or your centimeter or millimeter scale or ruler. So around your head, the length of hand, the length of your hand, the length of your arm. So we have the length of your hand, and the length of your arm. Around your chest, around your chest, around your chest. Length of your leg, length of your leg. All are to be measured in centimeters, and that of your partner. And then when you are done measuring all these parts of your body, and that of your partner, you find the difference. You can find the difference by subtracting or deducting yours from your partner. That is, if your partner's own is longer than yours or more than yours, but if yours is longer or more than your partner's own, then you have to deduct or subtract your partner's own from yours. Very good. Now we have certain items. We use a ruler to measure the following: the width of your maths book in centimeters and then millimeters, the length of your pencil in centimeters and then millimeters, the length of your pencil eraser, your pencil eraser, the width of your table, the width of your table. All right. Thank you for your attention and your time. Do well to relate this topic to similar topics in your textbooks and answer questions as well based on the topic. Stay safe. Bye for now.